Mga BiyaheNatics, kamusta? Tara at samahan niyo akong lakbayin ang pinakatatanging lugar sa extreme northern Luzon, ang Batanes. Sa unang araw namin sa Batanes ay nilibot namin ang South Batan at ang una mong masisilayan ang Chawa viewing deck. To fully experience the amazing views that Batanes offer, we availed a tricycle tour. Our next stop is the Tayid Lighthouse in Mahatao. It is one of the lighthouses that serves as indicator to seafarers across the risky waters of the West Philippine Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Our next destination, San Carlos Borromeo Church. The church, which is built in 1787, is in honor of its patron, Saint Charles Borromeo. It is being administered by the Dominican Order. Same case for all churches in Batanes. It has been rebuilt many times over the centuries. You can also find here the Batanes Blank Book Archive, or in the local dialect, Maywang Alibro do Batan. It is a library of books with blank pages where visitors can write their messages or even their own stories. Our next stop is the Blue Lagoon. It hides in between rocky cliffs just by the road that connects Mahatao and Ivana. This is the White Beach, a short strip of white sand just on the other side of the lagoon. We are not yet done, BiyaheNatics. Let's go to House of Dakay. Considered to be the oldest stone house that has been living for so many years. The iconic structure has been recognized as a UNESCO Heritage Building. There's no place for dishonest people in Batanes, especially in this honesty store. This was built by the Spaniards in 1700s using limestones. This old Spanish bridge is still being used up to this date. This church was built in 1784. It is located near the Municipal Hall of Uyugan. While Batanes is filled with amazing sights and activities, you should also take time to visit this church. It is nearly 250 years old with a foundation that dates back to 1795. This church is one of my favorites. The outside appearance is made out of rocks, which made it look like the stone houses in Batanes. Sa South Batan, hindi mo pwedeng kaligtaang puntahan syempre ang the famous Alapad Rock Formation. At isama mo na ang Madangay View Deck. Hailed as the Marlboro country of Batanes, this is a place that makes every visitor wonder and ask themselves, is this real or am I dreaming? Is this really in the Philippines? Of the 7,107 islands in the Philippines, who would have thought that only one island is enough to represent the beauty of the whole archipelago? Indeed, one of God's awesome creations that one should visit. Sa South Batan pa lang ito mga BiyaheNatics. Sa mga susunod na araw, pasyalan naman natin ang North Batan at Sabtang Island.